walk around video on a 1966 Cadillac Eldorado. Look at the reflection on that paint. This car is just beautiful. The paint is literally like a mirror on this car. Very deep and flat and beautiful. Look at that reflection. Right next to the San Diego airport for anyone who wants to fly out and see the car in person. But all the chrome is immaculate as well. You literally can use this car as a mirror to get ready in the morning. Watch, you can see the bus drive by. All the chrome on the rear is very nice too. The exhaust is completely brand new. The leather is beautiful. Feels very nice. All the cushions underneath the leather are perfect. The carpet's perfect. The leather on the door. The carpet trim here. But this literally feels like brand new, the wood trim. We just had it completely refinish. The dash is perfect. No cracks. The AC was just serviced. Blows ice cold. I'll do a driving video as well, but this car drives perfectly. The original engine was pulled and completely rebuilt. This car is a true cream puff.